This is the brief on the crypto market's recent rally and its upcoming Federal Reserve test. So last week, the crypto market really picked up steam, right? We saw Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana make some pretty nice gains. This was mostly fueled by fresh optimism about the U.S. potentially cutting interest rates. But now, that momentum's facing a big evaluation. First up, the main driver for this surge, it really boiled down to growing expectations for those U.S. interest rate cuts. Things really heated up after the August job numbers, the non-farm payroll report came out, kind of signaling a cooling economy. Then, encouraging inflation data was key too. The producer price index, that's PPI, actually fell unexpectedly in August. And the consumer price index, CPI, well, it met expectations, which was a relief. Altogether, it looked like inflation might be easing faster than thought, maybe giving the Fed room to cut. And that helped push Bitcoin up to $11,500. Now second, while Bitcoin was leading, Ethereum and Solana showed their own unique strength. Ethereum, which was kind of stagnant, started seeing good inflows into its spot ETFs by Tuesday. But its big jump, over 8% in just 2 days, that kicked off right after the CPI report. We saw over $400 million flow into those ETFs on Friday alone. And Solana? It had struggled to break $210 for months, but then it just rallied for 8 straight days. You could see the momentum in futures and spot markets. Its ecosystem's value locked past $13 billion too. Pretty strong signs. Okay, so finally, where does that leave us? After a strong run, Bitcoin's pulled back just a little, same for ETH and Solana. The really critical thing this week is the Federal Reserve's FOMC meeting outcome on Wednesday. Look, a 0.25% rate cut? Almost certain. But what everyone's really watching for is Fed Chair Powell's press conference. Any hints about future cuts? That could seriously steer Bitcoin's next move. Keep an eye on Tuesday's retail sales, too. Really low numbers could stir up some economic slowdown worries. So, the crypto market's recent gains are definitely at a pivotal moment. And honestly, what the Federal Reserve signals about future rate cuts is pretty much set to determine where things head next.